12 languages. التذاكر يمكن في adaptation. Emirates Resident Flight Retail is available on today's flight. Enjoy $15 saving on any two furniture. Some exclusions may apply.
يجب نترك سترة النجاة فقط عند الباب قبل مغادرة الطائرة. لنفخ السترة اسحبوا الشريطين الأحمرين للأسفل بقوة.
يرجى أخذ بعض الوقت لتحديد أقرب مخرج طوارئ إلى مقعدكم، فقد يكون خلفكم.
توجد 10 مخارج طوارئ على هذه الطائرة بوينغ 777-300.
عند الحاجة لإخلاء الطائرة اتركوا جميع أمتعتكم واطفئوا الإضاءة على أرضية الممر. للوصول إلى أقرب مخرج اخلعوا الأحذية ذات الكعب العالي عند استخدام زلاجة إخلاء الطائرة.
نشكركم على انتباهكم. إذا احتجتم إلى مراجعة أي من إرشادات السلامة ما عليكم سوى الرجوع إلى بطاقة السلامة الموجودة في جيب مقعدكم أو طلب المساعدة من أحد أفراد الطاقم.
سوف نبدأ الآن التحضيرات النهائية استعدادا للإقلاع. لذا نرجو منكم الجلوس والاسترخاء والاستمتاع برحلتكم مع طيران الإمارات.
بمجرد استقرار الطائرة في مسارها الجوي سيكون زملائي جاهزين لمساعدتكم وضمان استمتاعكم بتجربة التميز الدائم. شكرا لاختياركم طيران الإمارات.
Hello and welcome on board your Emirates flight today. This is your no-nonsense safety video. We do not have dancers breaking into song, characters from movies, or celebrities trying to be funny, I'm afraid.
But at Emirates, safety always comes first. So it's important that we take you through some safety features before takeoff. And you all can get back to our award-winning entertainment system. So, here we go.
Please make sure you have placed all your bags up here in the overhead locker.
Or, if you have smaller bags, you can place them here in front of you.
In first class, there are storage areas inside your suite.
And if you have a laptop and needs to be turned off, then put it in the overhead locker.
For takeoff, you need to put away your table, TV and footrest, open your window blinds, and all seats need to be completely upright.
Also, we recommend you keep your shoes on for takeoff and landing.
Please fasten your seatbelt whenever the sign is on. You can tighten the seatbelt by pulling this strap and lift the top like this to unfasten it.
We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're in your seat, and if you're sleeping with a blanket, fasten the seatbelt over the top so we do not have to disturb you.
For departure, please keep your devices on flight mode, or switch them off until we're in the air. Should you drop your device, please do not rush to find it. We will be more than happy to help, and this could avoid moving the seats, which could damage your phone.
Everyone knows that it's now illegal to smoke on board. Just for clarity, this also includes electronic smoking devices.
And in case you didn't know, all the lavatories have smoke detectors.
If there's a change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will appear from above you. Hold the mask towards you like this. Start